Welcome back, children. In the previous session, we have studied the different characteristics of a chemical reaction. Almost 5 characteristics we have studied, and in this part, we are studying the types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reaction. Here, we have written the first reaction is a combination reaction. Actually, what is a combination reaction? A reaction in which two elements combine and form a new product. Two elements chemically combine and form a new product is called combination reaction. Here magnesium burns in the presence of oxygen, or magnesium reacts with oxygen during or while burning. Magnesium thread or magnesium filament can be burned in the presence of air. So magnesium reacts with oxygen and form what? Magnesium oxide, during which a lot of energy, lot of light and heat is liberated. Okay. Now another example, nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to form ammonia. Nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to form ammonia. In short, combination reaction. In combination reaction, two or more reactants or elements. Here A and B represent A and B. A and B combine to form AB. So this is what is a combination reaction. So a combination reaction is a reaction in which two elements combine to form a single element with different properties. Okay? These are the two examples. Magnesium reacts with oxygen and form magnesium oxide. Nitrogen combines with the hydrogen to form ammonia. Clear? Yes. Now what is a decomposition reaction? It is the opposite of the combination reaction. Here, in decomposition reaction, a single compound, single reactant splits into two components, two elements. In a decomposition reaction, a single compound that split into or break off into two different elements. Here calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is called standard line. Calcium hydroxide, they break off, they decompose to form calcium oxide plus water. Calcium oxide plus water. Calcium hydroxide split into calcium oxide plus water. That is another example of a decomposition reaction. Now second decomposition reaction, copper carbonate. Copper carbonate when heated, it will split into copper oxide plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas, it is involved. So carbon mark is given. So you got it. Copper oxide, copper carbonate when heated, it splits into copper oxide plus carbon dioxide. So these are the two examples of the decomposition reaction. Calcium hydroxide break off into calcium oxide and water. Then calcium carbonate when heated, it splits into copper carbonate. Copper carbonate is heated when it is split into copper oxide plus carbon dioxide. Now third type of reaction, single displacement reaction. What is a single displacement reaction? A reaction in which more active element, more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound. This is the compound. This is one element. This more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound and form two different compound, one compound and one element. For example, copper sulfate is a compound, whereas Fe iron, ferrum, it is more reactive. Fe is more reactive than copper. So this Fe iron displaces this copper and combine with the sulfate and form iron sulfate. So in a single displacement reaction, the more powerful element displaces less reactive element. More reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound. So iron is a more reactive element that displaces copper, which is less reactive. And combined with the sulfate and form iron sulfate plus copper. Copper is released. Now in double displacement reaction, you can see two compounds are taking part in it. The more powerful element from a compound displaces less reactive element from its compound. Two compounds are taking part. AB is a compound, CD is another compound. More reactive element, here more reactive element is A and less reactive element is C. So A displaces C and combine with B and form AB. Then another element B combines with C and form. So what is a double displacement reaction? In a reaction in which more reactive element from its compound displaces the less reactive element from its compound. So more reactive elements. Here you can also say two elements displaces each other. Okay? Two elements displaces each other. The more reactive displaces the less reactive. So the two times happens in the double displacement reaction. That's why we are writing AB plus CD is equal to AD plus C. There are two types of double displacement reaction. One is precipitation reaction and another one is neutralization reaction. What are the two double displacement reaction? One is precipitation reaction and another one is neutralization reaction. About this we have already studied precipitation reaction. What is precipitation reaction? A reaction in which solid substance called precipitate is formed in a reaction, in the solution or in a liquid form. In a liquid form, what? When the elements react, they form a solid substance and this settled down. That is called a precipitation reaction. What is a neutralization reaction? A reaction between acid and base. Acid and base neutralize each other and form salt and water. Acid and base neutralize each other and form salt and water is called a neutralization reaction. We have already studied about it. So these are the types of reactions: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. Again they are divided into precipitation reaction and neutralization reaction.